Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've gathered some of my custom off-road vehicles because I wanted to show you the kind of wheels I'm using on each one of them. So at the left you see I have some donor cars and I will explain you which wheels can you find and what can you use on your off-road vehicles. I was asked to do it by one of my subscribers and it gave me an idea for this video which I can assume will be very helpful for you guys. So let's get started. The first one is this Maisto kind of Bobcat tractor, and here is the same type of vehicle which uses the same plastic wheels, and you can find it here painted with this matte gray color, and I'm using them on my older type styled vehicles, like if it's a very old vehicle and not newer type of vehicle like this one. I think the thinner type tires can fit the style of the car more than a wider one, so that is that. They are made, of course, from plastic. Okay, moving on, we have Matchbox. These type of wheels are plastic ones and they are my least favorite, but if you paint them with some white or maybe silver color in the middle, you can get a nice result. And another thing that you can do with it is to drill the middle of the rim and insert another rim. On this case it was taken from a Hot Wheels car, and you can see here how I fitted it after some drilling, and they look quite nice. So it's the same plastic tire but with different rim. Next Matchbox type of wheels are these ones. Although it's a color shifter and it is not a mainline, you can find it quite easy on mainline Matchbox cars, and they look like a Steely rims, and these are the wheels here. They are the same. I've decided to go with black and they look like Steely rims. Another one painted in silver here on this Baja Chevy truck. Same plastic tire. Okay, another Matchbox mainline vehicle. It has bigger and wider tires, and it is also one that you can easily get maybe at your local toy store. And you can see it here on this 62 Chevy Retro truck, again painted with this rust effect and dust effect on the wheels. I'm not too sure if I showed you this one on my channel, but maybe I will make a special video with it. Okay. The interesting part of this video, and many people ask me about the rubber tires I'm using. You can see it here painted in matte gray. The matte gray color gives this car the effect of some dirt time this car maybe had, and it is the same type of rubber tire that you can find on this Siku, which is a German brand, and it is a rare one to find around here, and I'm not too sure if you can get it in USA, but I know they sell online on eBay. So if you want one, it is about $5. That is why I'm not using them oftenly, because I don't have too much of these unless I want to use them on a special custom car. Another type of Siku rubber tires are these ones, and they're a little bit smaller, but I don't have the original car to show you. It's another tractor of some kind, but not from this green series. I think it's the gray series, which is a little bit more expensive, and overall it gives the car the realistic looks because of the threads, which looks way better than the Matchbox plastic ones. So there you have it. It's a collection of all of my tires, and I hope it helped you to know which one is the one you like and which one you want to get for your next build. If you have any question about anything, this is the purpose of my videos and channel, to make everyone interested and have fun with their cars. So if you have any questions, I will be more than glad to help you and answer you all. I'm reading all your comments, and you can be sure that I will try to help you as much as I can. So for the meantime, thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.